Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Mazda CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good pick for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, privacy glass, front-wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors. Your new ride is just a phone call away.